Hey guys, we're back with another video. This is going to be a side view mirror replacement installer removal for a 2012 Ford F-150. It's a very simple job. It's 3 bolts, the connector wire, and you got to remove the panel, but of course we'll show you how. Enjoy the video. When doing any kind of work on a vehicle, the standard tools you're going to need are going to be a Phillips screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, and a socket wrench.
So we're going to start with the 6 or the 8?
The 8.
Okay.
All door panels have plastic tabs that snap onto the metal door, so once you get all the bolts off, normally you can slide it from the bottom up to pop it off.
Just pull it up. So you're using an 11?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. to do here is not only make sure that the top lines up, make sure the sides and the bottom lines up as well.
Sold it? Oh, my phone. Sold me, man. It's 23 at the dealership. Not a trade-in? No, not a trade-in. It's like 19. Like 9,000. So that is a wrap on the 2012 Ford F-150 side view mirror replacement. Please make sure you put that panel on correctly before you start putting the bolts on. Check out the blooper at the end. Leave a like if it helped you out. It helps us out and we appreciate it. Subscribe if you want to see some more videos. Don't forget to hit the bell notification to receive those updates. And as always, visit us at ReveMoto.com. Thank you.
See this gap? You gotta make sure you get the bottom before you get the top.